Hey, what's up guys? It's RP Forex back with another video. Today we're talking about, is demo trading good for learning Forex? Now, it's not as simple as a question as you may think it is. The reason why my answer to this question is a yes and no. I believe for demo trading is actually a double-edged sword, and I'll tell you why. So first off, obviously demo trading is great for new traders. It's perfect. It's the best tool you can use to get your feet wet. You learn how to enter trades, pending orders, market orders. You understand how markets react to news. You also get a time to devise your own trading strategy, or also learn someone else's strategy. So I completely get that part of demo trading. The problem arises at this point of your trading journey. You're very new to trading, and it's very easy to build up bad habits, to learn bad habits, bad risk management, getting too emotionally attached, getting used to returns that may not come when you trade live, etc. So there's so many reasons why demo trading can build a bad trader psychology, which is hard to clean up when you go to live trading. So what I recommend any new trader or even veteran trader is to trade a demo account for 6 months. And at the end of 6 months, if it's profitable even by $100 or $1,000, you're good to trade a live account. Now that does not mean you open up a Forex account with all your life savings. What that means is you can open up a small account with maybe 100, 500, 1,000, 2,000, depending on your economic status, to start trading live. The reason why you start off with a small amount is to get your feet wet with live trading. Enough with the paper money and the demo accounts is starting to trade your own money, something that you've invested in, and something that has emotional consequences, right? So when you start trading the small live account, you're going to start to learn how you act under certain conditions, whether it be losing weeks or during news conditions or where the markets are just not going your way. You start to learn a lot about yourself, and you start to control your greed, your emotions, and even your anxiety when you start trading. So these are all things you have to master, and you cannot rush this process. It's a journey. It's a marathon. Don't make it a sprint, because it can end very badly. So at this time of your trading career, it's going to be the longest part. The demo part is probably going to be the shortest part, but becoming a profitable trader on a live account is probably the hardest part. And luckily for you guys at our Forex Trading Room, even for beginner traders, we've kind of simplified this process and expedited it by a ton. You can join, and within your first week, you'll soak up so much content that you'll learn how to trade, have a proper strategy, and also learn while you earn, because we do provide signals. So demo trading, in short, it is good in doses, like most things in life. But at a certain point in time, you have to step away and start playing with some real money.